Today's question is to calculate the area of a rectangle as parameterized constructors. And for parameterized constructors, we need some variables like float L, assert the length, float B, it will assert the breadth, float AR, it will calculate the area. And also we need some member functions like we have got accept, we have got calculate, and we have got display. And everything is explained over here what these functions are going to do. So in the constructor program, the most important part is the name of the class and the name of the constructor should be same. Name of the class and name of the constructor should be same, and the program will start from the main function. Here is the main function, publish static void main, and there are some variables declared which we need in the program, and here it is going to ask us the length and breadth of the rectangle to be entered. So let us say we have entered the length, we have entered the breadth. So once the length and breadth has been entered, and in the constructor program an object has to be created. An object has to be created for the class type. For the class type, so object is created. So once the object is created, immediately the constructor is also invoked. And when it is invoking the constructor or the method, it will pass the length and breadth L and B, which has been entered over here as argument, and it will pass these two arguments to the constructor declared over there, that is rectangle para. It will try to search where it is, and it will find it over here, and it will pass the arguments to the parameters. So float L1 and float B1 are the parameters. That's why this constructor is known as parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. So whatever the value we are given to L will be given to L1. Whatever the value has been given to B will be passed to B1. So once this L1 and B1 has got their values, it will get into the body of the constructor, and M, N and AR, which are declared over here, these are the variables which have been declared, they will be initialized. M will be initialized with L1, N will be initialized with B1, and AR is to be calculated, so it has been initialized as 0 as per the default initial value or default legal value. So once they have been initialized, they have got the values. So we'll come back to the main function, program will come back to the main function, and it will go to obj.calculate. So calculate is a function which will be invoked now by the object obj. So obj.calculate, it will try to search where the calculate function has been defined, it will find it over here. It gets over here, calculate, and it will calculate AR is equal to M into N. M and N has already got its value from here, so they will be multiplied and it will be stored in the variable AR. So once it has been in AR, again it will go back to the main function. So main function, the main function is over here. So now we will go to the next function, that is obj.display. So obj.display, we will find it over here, public void display. And why it has been declared as void? Because constructor doesn't return any value. Constructor do not return any value like in functions. In functions they return values, but in constructor they do not return values. That's why they have been declared as void. So you'll go to display. Display function will display the area of the rectangle. There is an AR. AR comes from here and it will be displayed. So I'll show you the output also. And before I show you the output, you have to give a click and compile. Here is compile on the top left corner of the screen. Give a click, compiling. See a compiling. Class compiled, no syntax error, it says at the bottom of the screen, and there is no error in the program. So I'll show you the output now. It is asking you to enter the length. Now the length is, let us say, 7.89, and it is asking you to enter the breadth. Breadth is, let us say, 5.21, and this is the area of the rectangle. We'll try with some other values. This time enter the length. The value I have given is 12.76 and the breadth I have given is 9.72, and this is the area of the rectangle, that is 124.02721. So this is how you get your constructor parameterized program.